A combination of the Japanese words iki, which translates to life, and gai, which is used to describe value or worth. Ikigai is all about finding joy in life through purpose. In other words, your Ikigai is what gets you up every morning and keeps you going. The author posits that there is indeed a secret to an amazing life, but it's a secret that everyone can find. According to the author's theory, you should envision your life as a car. When you think about your life that way, you can remember that the car of your life should be equally balanced on 4 tires. This book deals with the real-life answers. I believe Atomic Habits is the most comprehensive and practical guide on how to optimize your habits and get 1% better every day. The book draws on proven behavior change ideas from biology, psychology, and neuroscience and explains them in a way that is easy to understand and apply. This is an awesome book for every student. One of the best-selling self-help books of all time, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind has helped millions around the world achieve remarkable goals, simply by changing the way they think. Dr. Murphy's mind-focusing techniques are based on a simple principle: if you believe in something without reservation and picture it in your mind, you can remove the subconscious obstacles that prevent you from achieving the results you want, and your belief can become a reality. This is best book to train and develop your mind. This book deals with the interactive and candid sessions between Sadhguru and students, where students could seek clarity on any topics they chose, be it career, parents, addiction, stress, relationships or sexuality. Nothing was off limits. Youth and Truth is a movement to inspire and empower India's youth. It is an investment in the future of the nation. This is the best book every student must read because it has the real-life answers.